Hi guys, welcome to my break of Rookie Anthology Hockey. Happy Canada Day to all Canadians, and an early happy 4th of July to Americans. Here we are, Monday, July 1st, 6:46. Serial number of the box that I sent in one of my last emails, 190600007. Pretty cool. A list of you guys. Pretty cool draft yesterday, a lot of movement. Huge trade, Corey Schneider going to New Jersey. I had read that Mike Gillis was in panic mode because he wasn't able to trade Luongo, and they weren't prepared to buy him out. So they did the next best thing, I guess, and moved Schneider, which could prove to be a huge mistake. Here we go. Again, just so you see the same box. I only have one box. This is the last box of that case, so that I bought. So I think we've got a reasonable chance at a silhouettes. The last box for sure did not have a silhouette in it, and possibly the one before that didn't have one either. I can't remember that one. That was a long time ago. So definitely the last one did not. Here's our prism pack. I will not be going for the fireworks later. Not a fireworks person. Don't get anything out of it. Rather break cards. Here we've got all our packs. The thick ones, why not? We'll go later on. Here's thin. Some of them feel more thin than others, so. I guess those are thicker. Yeah, here we go. Good luck to everyone. I have a lot of bonuses for you guys, all from this product. So right away we've got some cards upside down. Oh, we got a nice Legacies, Mario Lemieux. 532 of 999. A hit for Pittsburgh right off the bat. Jarbaka. These cards. Next pack. Definitely hoping for a silhouette. It's always one of the nice cards to hit in this product. Oh. We got an autograph coming. It's always bronze. I've seen one silver. I once got a silver Brendan Morrow. Haven't seen any golds. This is for Anaheim. Brandon McMillan. Just check to confirm that it's the Anaheim logo. Yeah, Ducks. So hit for Todd W71. Congrats to you. And we got our bases in our spacer. Yeah, so not too bad a draft. Seth Jones fell to number 4, which is, I know Nashville were excited to have him at number 4. Drouin is like a wizard with the puck. I think he's going to be terrific. So Tampa got a nice player, and Barkov's got some size, and of course McKinnon's stock was huge, was really high, and then it dropped during the year, and then after Memorial Cup It went right back up. Sorry, here, this looks like a Jonathan Taves. Taves Contenders. Hard Contenders of $9.99. Hit for Chicago, Fungo. Spacer. Montreal Canadiens got 3 players that were projected to go as high as first round. So the first guy they took was maybe a bit of a project. Huge guy. Mike McCarron's supposed to be a fighter, power winger, whatever. So he could be a project. But then Jacob De La Rose, early second round, a Swedish winger, I guess, projected to be around a third liner. But very good players with some size and grit. And then they took the #1 ranked goalie, Zach Fucale. So few teams had multiple picks. Alec Martinez, Game More Gear for LA. Hit for Emma. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way and get onto the big stuff. Oh, we've got another LA hit. All the King's Men, Slava Voinov. Very nice. Look at that jersey. Has a seam in it. Has a stitch. Cool. So another hit for Emma. This one's pretty thick, actually. So we might have one of our big hits. Looks like it. Base, and we've got that there. Intensity. Henrik Lundqvist, hit for the Rangers out of 500. Nice hit for the Rangers. And McDonald 71. And then our rookie treasures is a pretty good one. Tyson Barrie. Good young defenseman on Colorado. Hit for Avs Fanatic. I believe you're Avs Fanatic. I know I sometimes make mistakes with all you guys' eBay's names because this is a private thing, but with your regular email. So pretty sure it's Avs Fanatic 2004. 321 of 699. Nice card. Hit for Colorado. Couple of base cards. And we have 2 base cards. Brandon Bollig, $9.99. Hit for Chicago. Fungo. Base. This one's pretty thick. This one is not as thick. Got a Nazem Kadri Hard Contenders. Sorry. Cup Contenders, sorry. $9.99. Hit for Toronto. Toronto is Spidey. Which is thicker here? Base. Oh, we do have something. It's probably a luxury suite. I think it's a luxury suite card, but we'll see. So we've got a, looks like Yarrow Halak. Contenders. No, it's a Brian Elliott. Sorry about that. Brian Elliott for St. Louis. And it's a luxury suite stick and a very cool one of Adam Graves. Not numbered. Number 3. Pretty cool. Hit for the Rangers. Base cards. And this pack is thick too. So maybe we have also, maybe we hit a hat trick here and got everything. This one is thick. Base. It's I think it's one of those towering defenders. Oh, and it's for Buffalo. Shea Weber, very nice, and it's a prime one. Wow, you made the right move at the end, Jarbaka. I know you took 2 teams at the end, and your last choice was Buffalo. Look at that, really nice patch. Looks like 9 out of 25 only. So this is a prime one, very thick. So this is a very nice box. Didn't have a silhouettes, but had everything else. Hit for Buffalo. And that's it for that. And now we have our Prism pack. We've got Daniel Alfredson. Oh, we've got an auto. Very nice. An auto for Boston. Looks like autos are always turned the other way. So Lane McDermott. Nice. Nice hit for Bummer Boy. And goalie for Dino Digi Robert Mayer. Canadians. So not too bad. And now we've got a bunch of bonus cards to award. What I'll do with the bonuses, normally I'd award them to teams that did not hit. I think we're going to do that. Let me just make sure the teams that hit. So Montreal just had a hit. Boston had a hit. So there might not be too many of you left after I cross out all these names. Oh, sorry, I told you Buffalo before for the Towering Defenders of Shea Weber. Sorry, it's Nashville. I don't know why I thought I saw Buffalo on the back originally, but sorry, oh man, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Out of 25, it's Nashville. Another hit for Emma. Sorry about that. That is your card. We have a Rangers hit. We have a, well, it's not really a hit for the Blues. Those are not hits. The contenders are not hits. Anything that's not a jersey or a patch, it's not really a hit. Colorado hits. So these are the teams that hit. Colorado had a hit. LA had a hit. Intensity, I think, is a hit, but like LA, Chicago, that's not a hit. And Auto is a hit for Anaheim. Legacies, Pittsburgh. Yeah, I guess it's all hits because there's a bunch of bonuses anyways. So Chicago had 2, Toronto had 1, St. Louis, Rangers again, yeah, Boston, yeah. So okay. So here are the bonuses. We're going to random them off. Move the camera. Hope you can see that. I might drop the... That's better. See, you've got all 30 teams starting from Anaheim, from the Western teams all the way down to Washington. So here we go. Good luck to everyone. First card is, all these cards are from this product, so just decided to give you like double the hits. So Jaromir Jagr Contenders of $9.99. Okay, so Jagr is going to one of you. Buffalo is on top. Philly. Detroit. Detroit did not have a hit. That's Arjak. Arjak gets Jagr. Reset the list. Okay, so the list is the same. Now we're going to a game-worn gear of Jamie Benn. I want to give you one of my better game-worn gears that I have. Not some obscure player. So Jamie Benn. Not numbered. 1, we've got Phoenix. We've got Montreal. New Jersey. Jersey is Emma. Ben. Next card. Oh, actually, first put the teams in. Okay, next card is actually, we did see this similar card. It's a Lane McDermott rookie. We had an auto in the break, so I just wanted to focus, so you see how nice it is. So good luck to everyone. Nashville, Ottawa, Ottawa didn't have a hit. M. McDonald 71. You got yourself a Lane McDermott. Well, hopefully everyone ends up with a hit of some kind. That's nice. It's the goal. Don't want to go home empty-handed. So I buy into so many breaks. You know, I know what it feels like to not get a hit. It really sucks. Then again, on the other end of the spectrum, it's an awesome feeling when you get a nice hit. So Craig Anderson, contenders. So here we go. One, Nashville, Edmonton, Islanders, Charbacca. You got the Craig Anderson. I know you like Ottawa, so it's not too bad for you. I know you've had Ottawa before. I can see like a few teams, but a hit is a hit. Next card is a Joe Sakic Legacies of $9.99. Just trying to mix it up here with all the different inserts you can get. Except the silhouettes. I didn't put in the silhouettes. I don't even know if I have any. I think I have a couple, but no one great. So here we go. Minnesota, Detroit, Buffalo. There's Charbacca again. So you picked up the Sakic. Sorry, before I said you had a hit before the towering fenders, but at least you got something in the end here. Reset the list once again. We have altogether 11 bonuses, so you have like almost a double box of hits and a mixture of jerseys and a couple of rookies. Here's one of the rookies, Tyler Kuma of $9.99. Nice rookie there. So there we go. One's Detroit, Detroit, Detroit. Wow, Detroit had a hit already, so we go to the next team. Phoenix. That's Emma. Okay, moving along. Back in. Here's all the King's men. Fairly thick jersey of Kyle Clifford. Black jersey. There's Carolina, Pittsburgh, Winnipeg. So Winnipeg gets the Clifford. Winnipeg did not have a hit. There's a Great Outdoors 150 out of 500. Marian Gaborik. That's acetate card, I really call it. Chicago, Carolina, Toronto. Toronto did have a hit, sorry. Nashville, Carolina, okay, next card. Another rookie, Carter Camper, $9.99. Pittsburgh, Vancouver, Philly. Philly did not have a hit. That's Spidey. Spidey gets the camper. Two more cards to go. Next card is a Royal Lineage triple jersey. Florida. Weiss, Kulikov, Paros. Edmonton's on top. Montreal. Vancouver. That's Emma. Well, Emma had a good break. Spot a lot of teams. Congrats. And the last card is the big one, the Rookie Treasures. Brendan Dillon. $9.99. Two colors. Good player. Had a solid year in Dallas. So here we go. St. Louis is on top. Washington. St. Louis. St. Louis. St. Louis had a hit. Go to the next team. Nashville had a hit. San Jose did not have a hit. So San Jose, Brendan Dillon. Okay, so a lot of teams got hits. Congrats to all the people that hit. Thank you very much for being in the break. Looks like I'll be doing some other product after this. I may buy the odd box of this product. If you like it, I'll break more of it. I was really thinking of doing a 2005, 2006 Ultra Hockey, so maybe we can hit an Ovechkin or a Crosby rookie, so that would be a lot of fun. SP Authentic is okay. Let me know what you like to break, and I'll make it happen. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.